Hello, sir.
Soumojith, can you see me?
Yes, sir. I can see you.
And can you please turn on your video? Perfect. Awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
Where are you?
Yes, sir. Hi,
You're
sir.
in the home?
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome. So, hi Soumojith, welcome to this one-to-one session. Let me know your achievements first, like how much money you earn through DBA course.
Sir, within 7 days, I earned 55 or 56K.
Within 7 days, you earn 55K. I guess you are the first student who earned within 7 days. Let me
I
know
guess
the process.
exactly in 6 days, sir. Like today is the seventh day.
But, today is seventh day.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, awesome. Let me know the process. Like, what helped you to earn that money? Which
Sir, it's your,
module?
sir, first of all, it's your blood and sweat and what you said that you did during your
Thank
company
you.
timing thing, sir.
Thank you
So
so much.
that is I'm applying, but to apply that, sir, so many life lesson I learned. First of all, the money, sir, when I was starting the thing, the initial thing, like when there is a imagination and there is a reality. So
Yes.
for us, like who didn't start anything in the past, for them to imagine something like to imagination, that takes nothing, right? We can imagine so many amount, like 7 figure, 8 figure, so many thing. Even you said a thing that you have a like kick to earn so much money and a luxurious life. I listen that, and that also, like, this is not a motivating factor for me. Actually, for me, the motivating factor is to push myself, basically,
Yes.
to what I can do. I can, if I can do 1% more, then I grow up to that phase, basically.
Awesome.
So,
Great lines. Yes.
yeah, money so much doesn't fascinate me, actually. It
Okay.
Yes, obviously, up to some extent, obviously, because
Yeah,
because
yeah.
obviously, but after that the thing is gone, basically. So I want to like share a few experience with you.
Okay.
Like, actually, I joined the DBA in the August, I guess, in August
August
month
2020.
2020. Yeah, yeah, sir. So after that, a phase was there. I am saying that this is the first life learning I want to share with all the students, basically.
Perfect.
He, there is a think, like there is a thinking process,
Mm-hmm.
and there is a execution process.
Mm-hmm.
See, first you have to think, then you have to think thoroughly first, then you have to done thoroughly first, basically act
Exactly.
thoroughly. Because
Perfect.
without acting is the bridge between your internal world and the external world.
Yes. True.
Until you don't take the action, you cannot get the result. Doesn't matter what you think.
Yes.
So at
Exactly.
that time,
The
at
points
that
which you
time,
shared is really true. First think, then execute.
exactly, sir. Sir, this is the first life lesson I have learned, that first think thoroughly, then execute thoroughly. This is the
Yes.
action is the most important thing. The second live lesson is related to this, sir. Why now I question myself in the past, that why no one is doing their execution, because everyone want to earn money, right?
Mm.
Who will be the person that who don't want to earn money? Everyone want to earn money, but they are not taking their action. And like
True.
I'm in the DBA for the very last few months, I guess. In seven month I was there, and since last 6 months I didn't earn even a single penny. Okay.
Yes.
And also I completed your all live classes. I completed your all like free digital marketing class, advanced, everything. Okay. But then I realized the finest wisdom, basically, you can say that, like the experience learned me that everyone didn't take action because they are chasing the perfection first.
Yes.
When you chase perfection first, you cannot take action.
Mm. True.
Perfection will only happen in the action process, when you take action and when you go through that phases, and
Exactly.
along with that you will grow.
When
Then
you
only perfection can
exactly.
happen.
So same. When you are waiting for perfection, it will be never
Yes,
ever
yes, it
happen.
will be
It
procrastinating
will
thing.
happen in the process.
Yes, yes,
Two
yes,
hundred
yes.
percent true.
So I want to share. I don't know it will show or not. For that day, the day I realized this thing, I make this my iPad's wallpaper, sir. Okay.
Awesome.
So fall in love with the process. Okay, sorry. One second, sir. I
No
can I
issue.
can
Fall
speak.
in
I
love with
don't.
the process.
This is the thing. This is my exit. 1 second, sir. I want to share, because this is so much important thing, and I'm sure 99.99% people are like facing the same thing. Facing the same thing. Yes, sir. This is the quote.
Fall in love with the process of becoming the very best version of yourself. Awesome.
So this is the things that I learned. This is the second life lesson what I got during the process. And then it take me some time to be mature, because at that time I didn't do anything. So right now you can say there's so much clarity within me, and so much, I don't use the word confidence, because confidence is I'm feeling a fuzzy thing basically. After some time the confidence fades when like something don't happen. So right now, the day I started, the first day I closed 4 cell,
Awesome.
and I called, I guess 11 call was there. So within 11 calls, I closed 4 cell. Within them, one people say that I will take the thing will one after 1 month and all this thing. So the second day I closed 2 cell again. The third day
Awesome.
1 cell. Second day 2 cell. And right now, like in the approximate figure, I covered around 14 cell, but 11 or 12 is sure shot, sir. This is the
Okay. And
situation or
how much
scenario.
money you made through it? The
56,
average.
56,000 right now within
Awesome.
6 days.
Awesome. And Soumojith, any tips for the newbies who just joined? Like one strong tip from your side.
Sir, first of all, I want to say you have to think big first. Very, very big.
Mhm.
Very, very big. Like, let's say if you are thinking that, okay, after joining Veeru sir's class, I can earn 1 lakh. At least five, do multiplication with 5 or 10 times, then your action will be so much of it basically.
Okay.
So like if you are thinking that, okay, 1 lakh rupees I can earn from the like thing, then at least 5 times you can like multiply that. At least 5 lakh I can earn. Then will the procrastination will go.
Think big
Because
and the results will be big.
obviously, like how you think the action will be the same with the same force basically.
True.
So this is the thing I learned. This is the first tip. The
And
second tip,
yeah. And anything about the live classes?
live classes is, sir, like hats off to you basically. This is the
Thank
first
you
thing.
so much. It
Like,
means a lot to me.
yeah,
And
sir,
about
like
second,
I I have seen everyone, like Arpan is a bit friend, a close friend with me basically. Arpan, I was talking with her also in the past. He's doing great right now. But then I question myself actually after seeing so many people that they are doing the thing. So where I'm lacking? This is the point I said already. This is the exact wisdom that every people is lacking, sir. They are chasing for the perfection. But
exactly.
when you chase for the perfection, you will just procrastinate your action. That's all. Just start today, right now,
Yeah.
and wherever you are, just start, and eventually you will grow. And one thing, like take some time, 30 minutes or 1 hour, like give it in yourself to grow basically every day,
Awesome.
because every animals, every creature in the world is growing every day. Even a tree also growing. So
True.
if even they also in the seasons they just shedding their leaves and growing it in a new form. So if you can, like, every creature is growing, sir. So this is my funda, and right now I'm in a state of mind, sir. I want to share with every people. I don't know how much they can grab with my words, or also I just want to share one thing. Right now, sir, I was a person before 1 month. I used to sleep like a normal people, 7-8 hours a day. Then I realized one day that I'm sleeping 1/3 of my life, right? So I did so many things, but the day I determined that this is the day I want to start, and this is the day I want to do everything whatever I have choose to do basically. From that day, I was sleeping, and right now, even today also, I was sleeping between 3 to 4 hours a day, and with a absolute clarity or focus or like productivity, you can say. So I'm doing the work approximately at least 18 to 20 hours a day right now, sir. Today,
Awesome.
every day,
Awesome.
you have to
So,
work very, very hard, very,
what are
very
you
hard,
doing with the money you got? Like, in which way you are investing?
sir.
Are you saving it or investing?
I'm totally investing mindset basically.
Perfect.
I'm exactly like you, like the mindset of you and me matching so much, very thing, sir. Very
Awesome.
matching
Awesome.
thing.
And
And
Soumya, thank you so much for giving so much of value to our newbies and the sharing of the revenue part of yours. Thank you
yeah.
so much.